Hey guys. All right. This is for second, second, sixth, and seventh advanced algebra 2. So I told you would see my face. It would be like I'm here, yet not. What you're about to do is go over those past tests. So here's what's going to happen, and then I'll have the substitute pass out your papers. First, you're going to get your old test. If you didn't take the test last week, you get a blank test. And you can correct on the test. These tests are dead. So you get them back. You can use them as a tool to study for the test on Friday. And what you see behind me are called QR codes. That's what the iPads are going to be for. Some of you only missed a few problems. So maybe you only want to check out, so this one right behind me is question 5. So if you only missed question 5, question 20, question 21, or whatever, you could take an iPad with headphones. You could either use your own, or we've got headphones that plug into the iPads. Find the QR scanner icon. So you might need some help with this, trying to find the QR scanner icon. Looks like something that would scan this. Somebody in this room has to know what a QR scanner is, or a QR code, some sort of scanning thing. Look in your app store, look for QR scanner. Anyway, so all these iPads have it. And what you do is click on that app, scan question 5's QR code, and you only get maybe a blurb of a video that I created. It goes through the steps of how to do number 5. So that's what all of these QR codes are for. This is strictly for, okay, my bad. Let me just say all of your options. You could either just see if you can correct your mistakes. Do you understand the notes that I put down on your paper? If not, all right. Second option, ask a friend. Like, work together with a partner, figure out, okay, what do they have on their paper? Can you explain it to me? Third option, let's say you don't understand what your friend is talking about, or you just don't want to talk to people today, which is fine. That's when you use a video. So maybe you just need to hear my voice walk you through the steps, because you don't understand my notes, you don't understand your partner's notes, or you just need to be walked through it one more time. Let's say you didn't take the test in the first place. So then your options are, well, you could try to take the test and then check it with somebody. The entire video for this test, answer key, is the latest video uploaded on my YouTube channel. You know to go to YouTube, search Mrs. Stellhorn, and you'll find my YouTube channel, Mrs. Stellhorn's Math. It's up there. Somebody also in this room knows how to get to YouTube and find the latest video on my channel if you want to walk through it. So if you don't understand the directions, 2nd, 6th, and 7th hours, Advanced Algebra 2, then substitute, replay the video just to go through it. Now, substitute, your job is to pass out all those tests that are by my computer. And they're, what color would you call it? Anyway, they're by my computer. So give the substitute a chance to pass those out individually, and then, because nobody needs to see each other's grades. But then the substitute's job, ladies and gents, is to watch you. Like, we are making you accountable. What I need you to do, substitute, is I need you to write down any names that are on their cell phones, like whether it's on Snapchat, or if you notice they're on their text messaging, look at the seating chart, write their names down, because I need this for documentation. Here's what I mean by documentation, ladies and gents. The latest score is what's going to be up on the grade book. So you've got to work your butts off. This is going to help me document who's working their butt off. I can understand if you get, well, anyway. So write down name, substitute. And there's no ands, ifs, or buts about it. You can't be like, oh, I wasn't texting. So anyway, those are the plans. Now, substitute, please pause the video because I'm about to do 4th and 5th hours geometry title lessons. Hello, 4th and 5th hour geometry title. Here's your job. First off, if you did not look at the stool over yonder and pick up paper, looks like triangles, rectangles together. Substitute, please pause the video so everybody can make sure they got a paper off the stool by the Student Center. Also, everybody needs a pair of scissors. You know where the pair of scissors are, so substitute, please pause the video again possibly, so that way pairs of scissors can be passed out. Here are the directions. You are going to cut out around each triangular prism, then you are going to use tape from the tape station. The tape station. That means tape does not leave the tape station. So yeah, hold on, let me check the time. I got a meeting. Anyway, you can tape it together, but the goal is to figure out how to calculate surface area. You need to count all the squares around this triangular prism in the end. How many squares does it take? And then, well, see if you guys can come up with an actual amount, because some of the squares actually get cut off whenever we start dealing with triangles. So, substitute your job. I need a number for each triangular prism. I need to know what did 4th hour come up with, what did 5th hour come up with each triangular prism, and I need to know, because after you count the squares, what is a method to not have to count individual squares? Is there a way we could do this quicker? And substitute, I need you to also write down the strategy that 4th hour came up with and the strategy that 5th hour came up with to not have to individually count little squares. Thank you.